toy. She's letting you play. Go get it. You can play with her. She's letting you play with it, with her. She's being nice. She's sharing. You need to share. She's sharing with you. Look, she's playing with you. She's playing tug of war. She's playing pull the baby down the hall. Okay, now throw it. Let her get it. Throw it. Throw it so she can catch it. Mason, can you throw it? Throw the toy so Daisy can catch it. Throw it. Throw it. Good job. Say, get it, Daisy. Say, get it. She wants you to play with her. She wants you to tug of war with her. It's okay. She's just playing with you. Play tug of war. Tug it away.